We couldn't have done it without you guys. I'd like to mention a couple people. Sorry if I forget some people. Grandma, thank you for keeping the secret. Tito Mike, Tito Mary, Tito Pia, Tito Peter, Tito Rosie, Tita Ann, Colina, Enrile, Tito Jack, Auntie, Pepe, Tita Malot, Uncle Ging, Tita Lilette, especially to my parents' wonderful friends, Tito June Tupas, Tita Gigi, and Tito Joey Nario, and to Jinju, Tito June Yabot, and also to my little elves, Janessa, Mimi, and Jefferson, and Tito Dave.